Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, using AIQE with TAUS at the pre-translation stage in memoQweb. When working in a project where machine translation settings have been configured and paired with TAUS for AI-based quality estimation, you can use AIQE at the pre-translation stage. If your project contains TMs or live docs, you can leverage your own content and use AIQE with TAUS for the remaining segments. Start by selecting one or several files and then click on the Pre-Translate option. In the Lookup section, choose which matches should be used for pre-translation. Then, enable the option Use Machine Translation with AIQE values. Pick the languages you wish to use AIQE for, pick the empty providers from the list, and tick the AIQE TAUS box. If relevant, you can choose different empty providers for each language. In memoQweb, under the Confirm and Lock section, you have the option to select rows to confirm and lock based on empty AIQE score. Pick a score, a status, and tick the Lock Rows option if you wish to automatically lock the confirmed empty AIQE segments. When you're done, click the Pre-Translate button at the bottom of the page. Locking rows where quality is deemed sufficient allows you to skip workflow steps, saving time and money. In the translation grid, the users will see the empty translated segments together with their AIQE score in the status column. If the option Lock Rows was ticked at the pre-translation stage, users will see locked segments. Thanks for watching.